Oh, wait. Oh, I think it's for the door.
Oh.
Through the hole. Alright. Let's get it.
Oh. That's what you have to do.
Ooh.
Zia, you're gonna die.
Let's get it. Yo.
Yo.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Hey, someone has to die in this one. Hey, someone jump real quick.
Why?
Let's get it. What is up, YouTube? Back with a new video. We got my two best friends. We got Ty
What's good?
and we got Ken.
Yeah.
Let's get it. And today we are playing. And when we are playing, do not press
The button.
The button. Yeah. So let's see what happens if we press the button. All right.
Let's get it, let's
start
get it.
off.
Zihan.
All right, I got you.
We got this,
Let's get
guys.
it. Let's get. Oh, wait. Oh.
Oh, this one.
Dude, what is this?
Wait, what is this?
I don't know what this is. Oh, wait. Oh, I think it's for the door.
Oh.
Through the hole. All right. Let's get it.
Oh. That's what you have to do.
Ooh.
Zia, you're gonna die.
Let's get it. Yo.
Yo.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Hey, someone has to die in this one. Hey, someone jump real quick.
Why?
Let's get it. Oh.
Oh.
Ooh, we both survived, bro. We all survived. No way. No way.
No way.
Ooh, bro, we too good. We're way too good.
No.
Oh, wait. Ty died.
I died.
My turn.
Alright, Ty's turn. Let's see what we get.
Wait.
What?
Oh.
Oh, it's
Well, what
red
was
light, green light.
Red light. Green
Yo,
light.
let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Damn, hey, good try though. Good try. Hey, kid is cheating, bro. Nah, kid is cheating. Nah,
No.
Get my man. Stop cheating.
nah, that's not fair.
Yeah, I'm in first. Yeah,
Let's get it in first. Let's see Ty. Come on. You almost did. Yeah. Nice. Good job.
I haven't died once.
Damn, bro.
Stop being
Y'all good.
bro.
Alright, come on. Oh, it was Ken's turn. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Oh,
No.
nah.
No, I took off my sword.
Let's get it. He doesn't have a sword
Took
anymore.
off my sword. I hear some balloons.
Alright. Everyone's getting Yo.
Yo. Yo, you can drift.
I know. Yo, this is cool. Nah, we so small now.
Oh, man, where's your life?
Who wants to take your turn? I
Alright,
can. Let Ken speak. Alright. Ducks are fall. Oh, we have to catch the duck. Come on. We
Yeah,
got
I already got ducks on my
grab
yeah,
that. What? It didn't let me grab it.
Alright, I got it.
Bro. Come on. Yes, I got one.
Yo,
Give me that second one. Give me that second one. Give me that second one.
yo,
Yeah, give me that third one.
I just took my duck.
Yo. Come on. Yes, I got 5.
Bro,
Come on. Give me. Nah.
4 more
Yeah.
seconds.
No. Yes, sir. I got 6.
I only got 3.
Yeah. Sir. Hey, good try, though. Good try.
It's your turn again.
All right. Let's see what. Oh, we're getting smaller again. Yo.
Yo, what?
What happened? Bro,
Yo.
bro's
Yo,
floating. Bro's floating. All right.
My turn.
Let's get it. Let's see what the mall gets.
Oh, you gotta move back, move back, move
Oh,
back.
move back, move back. Oh, well, that was unexpected. Ken's turn.
All right, let's see, let's see.
Yo,
What is this?
boulders. Yo. Watch out. Watch out, bro. Watch out.
All right, I'm zooming out. All right.
Watch out. Another one's coming. Go. Yo. Closer. Hey, just go for it. Just go. Yo, Ken's ahead of Ty. Yo, nah, he's cheating with his speed foil.
Yeah.
You're good.
Oh, yo, that was so close.
No!
Yes, sir.
You were
This
so
guy's
good.
Haven't died once.
Dang.
Nah, bro, he's cheating with the speed coil. That you do it. You
Yeah,
think that's
kid.
fair?
No, it's because look, I have
Ty's turn.
I have Nick Avocado on my shirt. That's what.
It's my turn. That was your turn.
Oh, alright. I get it. Oh, tsunami. Come on, parkour. We have parkour.
But these are one of the ones that I keep on messing on.
Me too, bro.
Come on. Why are you cheating?
Ooh,
Yes,
ooh.
get it. We on top of the building and we all
Yes,
made
sir.
it.
That
Yes,
was
sir. Look at that big wave.
That was
Hey,
quicker than that.
watch me jump. No, I'm joking. I get it.
Oh, there's alcohol. I'm jumping down now.
I get it. Alright. Yo, we roll laser gun. Oh, let's get it. Y'all getting cooked.
Not tonight.
Not tonight. What do you mean not tonight? I get it. Let me. Where you at, boy? Where you at?
I don't know. Come find me.
But when I was the
Where the
first one
fuck
to
you
die.
at?
Come find me.
Nah, this guy cheated.
Come find me.
Why are you running?
Come back.
Why are you
Back.
running?
Come back, bro. Hey, come on, come back. Where you going?
Oh,
I haven't died once.
Dang.
cocky motherfuckers.
Oh,
Nope.
oh, we playing this one.
Oh, I remember this.
Oh, yo, that was close.
Yo,
No,
Ty,
no, damn, I got good.
I almost died. I don't even have to move.
Bro, you were. Oh,
Someone got his ass burned.
bro.
Yeah.
No,
Yo.
bro, that means Ken won, bro. Dang. Jump in the lava, I'll give you $100.
Yo,
Slow
bro.
down, baby.
Yo, Ken
I
survived.
haven't died once.
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, we're playing this one again. All right, come on. We gotta lock in. Come on, we got this. Nah, hey, take off your speed coil. Take off your speed coil.
Alright, I'll take it off.
Oh, come on. How
How'd you
do I
die?
die 2 times in a row?
How'd you die?
I
How did
don't
I
know. It's like a kid.
Hey, Ziha, look behind you.
What? Oh, you died too? Damn.
Damn, y'all.
It's true though.
Bro, you would have been back there if you would have never used the speed coil, right?
Yeah, for real.
I bought it with my money though.
Hey,
I
bro, you better take that shit off
Who gives
though.
a fuck if you got money?
Press it. Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna use my balloon.
That was it. Yo, what the hell?
Oh,
Oh,
Yo, they're like dog heads. Yo, what is this?
I'm pretty sure we can't die by these.
No, you can't.
you can if they could roll you on.
Yo,
What just happened?
yo.
What the hell just happened? Yo, lava's rising, lava.
How the fuck? Oh,
Lava rising, come on. Do not die by this, bro.
no, I died. Yeah, I died.
Bro, it's so red, I can't
So
see.
it's fucking me.
I can't see anything. Hold on, hold on.
Boys.
Let's get it. I'm a
Let's
climber. Yes,
This is
sir.
this is my first time completing this lava.
Oh, let's go.
I hear some balloon.
I'm literally like
Yeah.
the fastest one in here, bro.
All right, next green light, red light. I'm not going to use my. Oh,
Yo, it's Baldy.
Odie.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit!
Pelon.
Yeah. Oh, Ken, he's coming after you.
Now he's coming after you.
Chill. Yo. Yeah. Go for some wrong. Let's go.
Oh wait, what is that?
Oh, we have to cross the road. Oh, me and Ken, bro.
Oh,
You
no,
died.
This
Let's
game
go.
is so rigged.
Oh, let's go. Woo! No!
Yo,
How?
oh, the thing is so glitchy.
I know.
It's the first time Ken lost, like Ken died. Ken
Alright.
fucked me.
Bro, let's do what I can. Memorize. Ooh.
I hate this. Wait, what is this?
One.
One. Alright,
So
already got it.
One.
Alright, I got 4 ones.
I got 4 ones. Bro, that was the easiest one.
Yo, I barely clicked it.
Oh, I know this one.
This is easy.
This is the easiest one ever.
Oh,
I
never.
don't know where I'm going.
I'm pretty sure I forgot the way, but
Nah, I already know where. I know where I'm going. Alright, come on. Let's see if I can find a way. This way? Nah, it wasn't. I don't know why you even following me, cuz. Why you following me?
Cause
Why?
hold on. Yo. Bro, wait. Bro, what the fuck? I made it.
Bro, we're still trying to find. Oh, I think
Hey.
I found the way.
Yo, I made it through the stairs, like the stairs.
Oh, nice.
No, I'm in the 2nd floor, but alright, here's some balloons.
Who are you? Some balloons. It's iconic line. Wait, I think it's over here, right?
this
Oh
game
my
reminds me of the.
god, bro.
I can see y'all name tag.
I know, man.
Y'all are close.
I don't know why this guy's
Kai is telling me.
Bro, y'all are close.
Yeah, we not close at all, but we only get 1 second. Damn, bro, we even got out of the map. Nah. Alright. Oh, I know this one. Let's get it.
Fuck off, bitch.
We have to smack each other.
Fuck off.
Hey, double team.
Fuck.
Against me?
No, come on.
Nah, chill. Fuck off, bitch.
Bro, how is this supposed to work? Ken got the highest number.
Oh. How?
Yo, I'm not.
It's not fair.
Yo,
On the ground.
Let's go. Ah, Ken won. Damn,
8
bro.
points. How did I win?
Who's walking, bro?
Oh,
Oh, we got rigged. Oh, we gotta do a little obby. No, how?
it pushes you back.
Good.
Oh, it pushes you back.
Oh, that's why.
So you gotta go quick.
Let's go. I beat it. All right. Let's go.
You're.
Yeah.
I'm in first. Here's some balloons.
Yes, sir. Yes. All right. Now it's just Kai's turn.
Here's some balloons.
Come on. Ooh. Come on. You got this. Come on. Just. Yes, sir. We all made it.
Yes, sir.
Look at me.
Get it. All right.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Oh, it's Vsauce. Yo. No.
I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
No way. Oh.
I think I got the speed for you.
Bro. Oh, I'm back. No, I fell.
Oh, I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
Bro, nah. Yeah, you cheating.
I'm still alive, yo. My second time.
Cheating.
Yo, I said that twice.
Oh, he has a sword. No, how? No, how? How
Oh,
did
run.
Yeah.
he doesn't have the sword anymore. But how did he kill his yo? No. No way.
Oh, he only killed me once.
Oh, not this again. Hey,
I love this. I'm loving this.
Bro, how are you? Let's get it. I'm back. No. Oh.
Let's go.
Hell no. Get the fuck out of here. Let's get it. Let's go.
Oh, by 23 points. What did I get last time? 26 or 24?
Alright, we gotta place the colors now. Alright, this goes to pink. This goes to yellow. That goes to red. Let's go. We completed the light bulb. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Teamwork.
Yeah, what is this? Oh, another ornament.
Yeah, another ornament. Come on. Come on. Let's go. I don't think. What are y'all doing?
Oh, no, just.
Okay. What is the mall doing?
Oh.
I did it. I don't know what y'all doing, but come on, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Let's get it.
I got 30.
32. Hey, good try, bro. Oh, the building is burning. Gotta escape. We gotta escape. Come on, guys. Little maze. Oh, come on. It's burning. It's burning. Oh no, we're burning.
We're dead. We dead.
Hey, good job. Oh, this again. Let's go.
Lucky, you fucking dick.
Alright, come on. Just the red one. And yeah, let's go.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Alright, okay. Let's do one last one. Let's come on. Oh, this is my favorite one. This is my favorite one. This is my favorite one.
I can't move.
No.
This is my favorite one.
Here's some balloons. Here's some balloons.
Alright, looks like we're gonna end it off there for today.
Yes,
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And
Until next
for
time.
more videos, hit that notification bell, turn those notifications on, hit that like button, hit that